The solar system, a vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring realm of cosmic wonders. From scorching hot planets to icy moons and enigmatic phenomena, it holds secrets that continue to astound scientists and explorers alike. Join us as we dive into 10 mind-blowing facts about the solar system. 1. The Sun is 99.86% of the solar system's mass. Did you know that the Sun accounts for a staggering 99.86% of the solar system's total mass? The rest, including all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets, barely make up the remaining 0.14%. The Sun's immense gravity and mass keep everything in the solar system in perfect balance. 2. Jupiter could have been a star. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is often called a failed star. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun. If it had been 80 times more massive, its core could have ignited nuclear fusion, making it a second star in our solar system. 3. Venus rotates backward. Unlike most planets, Venus rotates on its axis in the opposite direction. This means the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus. Scientists believe this unusual rotation could be the result of a massive collision in its past. 4. Saturn's rings are younger than the dinosaurs. Saturn's iconic rings are a relatively recent addition to the solar system. They're estimated to be only 100 to 200 million years old, which means they didn't exist during the time of the dinosaurs. Composed mostly of ice and rock, their exact origin remains a mystery. 5. Mars has the tallest mountain in the solar system. Olympus Mons on Mars is the tallest volcano and mountain in the solar system. Standing at an incredible 21.9 kilometers, 13.6 miles, high, it's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. This massive shield volcano could fit the entire state of Arizona on its base. 6. Neptune rains diamonds. Deep within Neptune's atmosphere, extreme pressures and temperatures turn carbon atoms into diamonds. These diamond rains likely form in the planet's icy, high-pressure core, creating a dazzling phenomenon unlike anything on Earth. 7. Mercury has ice. Mercury may be the closest planet to the Sun, but its poles are home to craters that never see sunlight. In these permanently shadowed regions, scientists have discovered water ice. This ice could have come from ancient comets or volcanic activity. 8. Uranus rotates on its side. Uranus is unique because it rotates almost completely on its side, with an axial tilt of 98 degrees. This odd orientation means that each pole experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. Scientists think a massive collision early in its history caused this tilt. 9. Pluto has a heart-shaped glacier. Though no longer classified as a planet, Pluto still has some fascinating features. One of its most famous landmarks is a heart-shaped glacier known as Sputnik Planitia. This icy region is made of nitrogen and reflects the Sun's light beautifully. 10. Earth is the only planet with liquid water on the surface. While scientists have found evidence of water ice and vapor on other planets and moons, Earth remains the only place in the solar system where liquid water flows freely on the surface. It's this water that makes life as we know it possible. The solar system is a treasure trove of wonders, each planet and moon offering its own incredible story. These 10 facts are just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. As we continue to explore, who knows what other mind-blowing discoveries await us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through the solar system, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating science videos.